Ever found yourself navigating the labyrinth of baby strollers, each promising to be the best for your little one? It's a challenge, isn't it? Well, fear not. Today, we dive deep into the world of baby strollers, comparing and contrasting the top 3 contenders of 2024. First up, we have the Comfort Stroller. A marvel of sustainable design, it's built entirely from eco-friendly materials, but it doesn't sacrifice comfort for sustainability. The Comfort boasts plush organic cotton padding and an adjustable seat that reclines to a near-flat position for those all-important nap times. The large canopy shields your baby from the elements, while the peekaboo window allows you to keep an eye on your little one. The stroller's lightweight frame and compact one-hand fold make it a dream for on-the-go parents. Next, we have the Rover Stroller. It's the Iron Man of baby strollers. This high-tech stroller comes equipped with an integrated tablet holder, USB charging ports, and even a built-in speaker system. But it's not all about gadgets. The Rover also provides top-tier safety features, including a 5-point harness, anti-lock brakes, and high-visibility LED lights for evening walks. Last but not least, we present the UltraFit Jogger. This stroller is built for active parents. It features a sleek aerodynamic design and durable air-filled tires for a smooth ride on any terrain. The UltraFit Jogger also boasts a hand-operated brake for better control and a multi-position sun canopy with clear-view windows. Plus, it's got a spacious storage basket for all your essentials. In summary, the Comfort Stroller offers a green solution without compromising on comfort. The Rover Stroller brings the future to the present with its cutting-edge tech features, and the UltraFit Jogger caters to the fitness enthusiasts who want to keep active with their baby in tow. So there you have it, the top 3 baby strollers of 2024, each with its unique features and advantages. Whether you prioritize sustainability, tech integration, or fitness compatibility, one of these strollers is bound to be the perfect fit for you and your little one.